Have you ever wondered why some people seem to make more money while doing less work? You see them traveling, spending time with family, or even sleeping while their bank accounts grow. It almost looks unfair, right? But here's the truth, it's not magic. It's called passive income. And today, I'm going to break down exactly how you can make more money by working less, how passive income really works, and what steps you can take starting right now to start building financial freedom. Welcome back to Stock Predictor, where we talk about money, investing, and building wealth the smart way. Let's start with something most people don't realize. Working hard doesn't automatically make you rich. In fact, most people who work the hardest often make the least. Think about it. The person cleaning hotel rooms works hard. The truck driver putting in 14-hour shifts works hard. The teacher grading hundreds of papers works hard. But they're all trading time for money. The moment they stop working, the money stops too. That's called active income, and that's exactly why most people feel stuck. You can't work 24 hours a day. There's a physical limit, but passive income breaks that limit. Passive income is money you earn even when you're not actively working. It's when your money, skills, or systems do the work for you. The best part, it doesn't require you to be a millionaire first. It requires a plan, and that's what we'll cover today: how to start small, how to scale up, and how to finally buy back your time. So, let's make it real. Imagine you build something once, maybe a YouTube channel, a blog, an online course, or even a dividend portfolio, and it keeps making money for you every month. That's the essence of passive income. You put in the effort up front, but the payoff continues over time. Most people never reach this point because they only think about, what pays me now, instead of, what keeps paying me later. The goal is not to work for money, it's to make money work for you. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't have a lot of money to invest. Don't worry, you don't need a ton of cash to start. You just need the right mindset and a willingness to learn. Let's start with the simplest forms of passive income that almost anyone can start building. One of the easiest is dividend investing. When you buy shares of certain companies, they pay you part of their profits regularly, monthly, quarterly, or yearly. These payments are called dividends. Think of it like getting paid for owning a piece of the company. It's not about day trading or chasing stock trends, it's about choosing strong, stable companies that share profits with shareholders. You buy once, and you keep earning while the company grows. Now let's talk about real estate. It's one of the oldest and most reliable sources of passive income. But it's not just about buying physical houses or becoming a landlord. You can now invest in real estate through REITs, real estate investment trusts. These are companies that own income-producing properties, and they pay you dividends just like stocks. You don't need to buy a building, you just buy a share, and boom, you're in the real estate business without the headaches of tenants or repairs. But passive income isn't only about investments. It's also about creating assets that work for you. Let's say you're good at something, maybe fitness, cooking, or even explaining financial concepts. You can turn that knowledge into an online course. Platforms like Udemy or Teachable allow you to upload your course once and keep earning every time someone enrolls. That's passive income too. Another great example is digital products. Ebooks, templates, designs, or stock photos. Once you create them, you can sell them over and over again without doing additional work. Every time someone buys, you earn. That's why digital creators often wake up to notifications saying, "You made a sale." They literally make money while they sleep. And of course, one of the most powerful modern tools for passive income is content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram Reels can become income streams when you build an audience. Sure, it takes effort at the start. You create videos, build consistency, and attract viewers. But once you hit monetization, through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate links, it becomes a system that pays you even when you take a week off. That's the beauty of digital leverage. Affiliate marketing is another underrated path. You recommend products or services you trust, and when someone buys through your link, you get paid a commission. No need to create or deliver anything yourself. You're simply connecting people to solutions and getting rewarded for it. It's a win-win. Now, here's the secret most people miss. Passive income is rarely 100% passive in the beginning. You have to build the foundation. You'll work hard at first, creating, learning, setting things up, but once your systems are running, your time frees up. That's when your income becomes passive. Think of it like planting seeds. You can't harvest if you never plant. Let me share a story. A friend of mine was stuck in a 9-to-5 job making around $50,000 a year. He started investing just $200 a month into dividend-paying ETFs and spent his weekends learning about online business. He built a small blog reviewing financial tools and used affiliate links. In 2 years, his blog started earning $1,000 a month. He reinvested that money into more stocks and his dividend income grew to $300 a month. Today, he earns over $3,000 a month passively, more than half his old salary, while working less than 10 hours a week. That's the power of compound effort. Now, let's be honest. Passive income doesn't mean no work ever. It means smart work now, freedom later. You'll still monitor your investments, update content, or manage small details, but it's nothing compared to working 40 to 60 hours every week for someone else's dream. So, how do you actually start building passive income right now? Step 1. Choose your lane. There are 3 main lanes: investing, creating, and automating. Investing means using your money to make more money, through stocks, bonds, crypto, or real estate. Creating means building digital products, content, or courses. Automating means building systems that run without you, like dropshipping stores or print-on-demand businesses. Pick one and commit to it. Step 2. Learn before you leap. Many people lose money trying to rush into passive income. They see easy money ads or unrealistic YouTube claims. The truth is, if it sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Do your research, understand the business model, and start small. Your goal isn't to get rich overnight, it's to build wealth that lasts. Step 3. Reinvest your earnings. When your investments or online income start paying you, don't spend it all. Reinvest it. That's how you multiply your results. Let's say you make $200 in passive income this month. Instead of spending it, buy more dividend stocks, fund your website, or pay for better marketing tools. Every dollar you reinvest becomes another seed for future growth. Step 4. Track your progress. Set a goal. Maybe it's $100 a month in passive income. Then $500. Then $1,000. Every milestone gives you motivation and proves your system works. And finally, protect your time. The whole point of passive income is freedom. Don't replace one form of stress with another. Simplify your systems, automate what you can, and outsource tasks when it makes sense. Your time is your most valuable asset. Treat it that way. Let's talk about the mindset shift that makes all this possible. Most people think wealth comes from working harder. But real wealth comes from ownership and leverage. When you own assets, stocks, content, real estate, intellectual property, they pay you repeatedly. When you leverage technology, money, or people, you multiply your impact without multiplying your effort. That's how the wealthy think. They ask, how can I make this work without me? It's the same reason someone can own a chain of coffee shops and earn millions while never making a single cup of coffee. Their system works. They own the machine. That's where you want to be, not inside the system, but owning it. The biggest obstacle for most people is fear. Fear of losing money, fear of failure, or fear of looking stupid. But here's the truth. Doing nothing is the biggest risk. Inflation eats your savings. Jobs aren't guaranteed. The economy changes. The only security you truly have is the system you build for yourself. And passive income is that system. Start small. Build one stream, then another. Most millionaires have multiple streams of income, some active, most passive. That's how they stay secure no matter what happens. Remember, time is the ultimate wealth. You can always make more money, but you can never make more time. So stop trading your life for paychecks and start building assets that work for you. Even if it takes months to set up, imagine how good it'll feel knowing you're earning while spending time with family, traveling, or just enjoying life. The first $1 of passive income is the hardest, but once you see it, you'll never think about money the same way again. Because that dollar proves you can make money without showing up. And that's the moment your financial freedom journey truly begins. So if you want to make more money by working less, the path is clear. Create, invest, automate, and reinvest. Don't chase money, build systems that attract it. It's not about luck, it's about leverage. And remember, no matter where you start, the best time to build passive income was yesterday. The second best time is right now. If you found value in this video, make sure to subscribe to Stock Predictor, where we uncover practical ways to grow wealth, invest smarter, and create financial freedom one step at a time. Smash that like button, share this with someone who needs motivation today, and tell me in the comments, which passive income idea are you going to start with? Because the sooner you start, the sooner you stop working for money, and start letting money work for you.